A home library isn't just about books, it's about creating a space where inspiration, comfort, and style meet. Whether it's a full room or a cozy reading corner, your library can reflect your personality while keeping things elegant and functional. Let's explore how to design a stylish home library that's both timeless and uniquely yours. In this video, we'll look at how to balance comfort, organization, and design. We'll cover 4 key elements: layout and shelving, furniture and comfort, lighting and ambiance, and finishing touches that bring everything together. Ready to design your dream home library? Let's begin. Every great library begins with smart layout planning. Think about how you'll move through the space. Open layouts create a modern, airy feel, while built-in walls of bookshelves bring classic elegance. Mix vertical and horizontal storage to make the shelves visually dynamic. Include open shelves for display and closed cabinets for storage, a perfect balance of beauty and practicality. Play with height and symmetry. A floor-to-ceiling shelf makes a bold statement, while asymmetrical designs feel fresh and creative. If these stylish home library design ideas inspired your inner book lover, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow readers. A library should feel inviting, the kind of place where you can lose track of time. Choose furniture that blends comfort with sophistication. A plush reading chair, a sleek desk, or even a window seat can transform the space. Mix textures, leather, velvet, or soft fabric, to add depth and warmth. And don't forget balance. Keep enough open floor space to breathe. A clutter-free library looks bigger, cleaner, and far more stylish. Which design style was your favorite? Cozy traditional, sleek modern, or minimalist chic? Let me know in the comments below. Lighting can make or break the mood of a library. Combine natural light with layered artificial lighting, overhead fixtures for general brightness, task lighting for reading, and warm accent lights for atmosphere. A mix of soft white and amber tones creates a cozy yet elegant glow. Dimmer switches are a simple but powerful addition. They let you shift from bright daytime studying to soft evening reading in seconds. The final step: personal touches that make the library yours. Add artwork, framed photos, or plants for life and texture. Decorative ladders, vintage clocks, or sculptures add personality without clutter. And a subtle scent, from candles or diffusers, completes the experience. For more elegant home design inspiration and creative decor ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. And there you have it, a stylish home library that feels both refined and personal. Remember, it's not just a place to store books, it's a reflection of who you are, your tastes, your thoughts, and your love for design. Whether it's a small corner or a grand reading room, style it with heart and it will always feel like home.